Hello, I hope you are all well. Before using the third generation 6D machine's hair extensions, it is important to notice that there are two buckles as shown in the photo. This buckle comes with the hair extensions, the hair are fixed on it. This second buckle in the majority of cases may not be supplied with the hair. You must ask for it or buy it from your supplier. Firstly, this is the machine 6D 3RD generation. This is front side, the other is back side. We should hold the machine with right hand at this angle. This buckle is separated with the machine needle plate originally. Second generation and first generation machines are different. Once open the machine, put this buckle into the machine like this. The slot of the buckle must be above. We mean the holes inside the buckle should be up. We use this button to control and lock the buckle into the machine. Now we press the button to lock the buckle. You can see it is locked. If it is not placed well or not locked or it is loosening, press 2 times this button to open it and remove it, then place it again. Now we repeat the process again to allow you to understand it better. When you are installing the hair extensions, the buckle's 5 points are up. Again, press this button twice to release the buckle if it is not well put. Now, we are going to add the 6D 3 hair extensions that come with their buckle after attaching the first buckle on the machine. The needles of the loop should point high on the first loop. We hold the hair extensions with our thumb and index this way. Then we lock the hair extensions on these boards from the back side. You feel the hair extensions with the buckle slip inside the machine strongly. Then you can see the needles are up and the 5 hair extensions strands inside of the 5 slots. Then this installation is finished. You can now start the hair extensions installation on your customer head. Sublimate Hair thanks you for watching.